Hello and welcome back, guys. Today we're going to be doing the next in the Bichos or Bugs collection. It is a red jeweled scarab. So guys, I'm gonna put this down here. But guys, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button down below. And while you're at it, guys, make sure to hit that bell as well. So that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or start a new live stream. And of course, guys, if you like this unboxing, if you like Bichos, make sure to leave a like down below. And well, guys, let's get into this. The magazine that came with our brand new bug. We're gonna go on down here and we can see a nice drawing of our new bug friend that we're gonna add to our collection, the red jeweled scarab. Pretty cool. Let's open this up. Here we have like a general description, and then down here you have a little bit about their habitat. And here you have a little bit of like general observations about them. And here you can see like the different parts of the specimen that we got. Like their antennae, and their back, and their head. That moseying on over here. Wow, this guy's really pretty. This one too. And here's just a little blurb about them, as well as their classifications, their scientific classification. We're gonna open this up. Oh wow, this one's really cool too. There's so many of these guys. And I really like this one. Look how blue he is. This is their head and their eyes, which are super big, and their antennae. And down here, you get a look inside of them. It's pretty cool. So there's many of these guys all over the world. Which one do you guys think is the best one? Let's see. They're all pretty, so it's kind of hard to pick one. But you guys tell me which ones you think are the better ones down in the comments below. Personally, I really like this one. It's so sparkly. And then some artist impressions of these guys. So pretty. The larva babies. really sparkly. And then over here we have some of their predators. Birds and reptiles. Wow, so some of them are pretty big. Look at this one down here. It's like giant. And then here you have like the 10 like main like plagues of bugs. Open this tab, some more, and of course these guys were a big part of ancient Egyptian art. We see a Bengal with one of these guys on it. And then you have, like always with this collection, you have different puzzles and questions at the end. And that's it for the magazine, guys. So that means that it's time to check out our new bug friend. So let's do that now. Okay guys, so we've done the magazine, and now we have to check out our new bug friend, Red Jewel Scarab, and here he is. Look at him. He looks really impressive. He's like bright red. Show you this side. You can see his little legs there. And then that's his butt. Those are his other legs there. And there's his face with his really, really large eyes. And there's his bottom there. You can see all the legs, his eyes, his little antennae sticking out. And well guys, I think I'm gonna put him down here. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this awesome new unboxing of the red jeweled scarab. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And well guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button down below, and while you're at it, make sure to hit that bell as well, so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or start a new live stream. And well guys, I will see you next time. Have a great day, be awesome, bye!